So first things first, if you're gonna go burn, you need gas. Last thing you wanna do is run out of gas when there's a fire coming at you. We also bring a whole bunch of gas along because we start the fire using gas, and we have these fire sticks and they're full of gas. And that's how we make a fire. This is the fire stick. I built this one because it's bigger. You can go faster for longer periods of time. We use this pickup as our fire truck. Puts out the fire for back burns and stuff. And then there's the banana bus. That hauls our water supply out to the field if we need it. Today I'm not going to need it out in the field. We've got a lot of blacktop, a lot of roads on the sides, so we won't have to back burn very much. But I'm going to fill up my fire truck right now. Got the four-wheelers loaded up. Back before I made all these YouTube videos, I was in a bluegrass group with my brothers and two others, and I wrote a song called Prairie Fire, and my mom loves the song, and she's been dying for me to make a video of us burning so we can put that song to it. And so I texted her this morning and I said, Mom, we're gonna do it, and she is so excited. So I wrote the song, and the beautiful female voice you hear is Bethany. So why do we burn? Because the Native Americans burned, and that's all you really need to know. Out here in Kansas, we don't want trees. Out here in the Flint Hills, we don't want trees. We want grass. And so fire kills the trees so the grass can come on, and it turns the landscape black, and black absorbs heat. And that gives it a jump start, and it stimulates, and it creates a tremendous amount of nitrogen release to jump start that native grass. We have to call 911 and let them know. They have a number reserved just for grass burnings, and the wind speed has to be within tolerance before they will let you burn. So we've called this one in, and we're basically burning an entire section. We own 3/4 of it. The other quarter is a neighbor, and so we called him and said we're burning, so he's going to burn his at the same time as ours, and we have a road all the way around it, so and farm ground where the wind's blowing, so this will be easy. We won't have to do much back burning. And here we are. Once I get this filled out. Do you want the big one?
This?
Or yeah, is that what you want?
Yeah, I want to refill it. I'll end up over there at Randy's an hour now.
Okay, Grant, light the first match. Wait, where's my camera? Alright, we got her lit. So my brother Grant's gonna take off here and make sure it doesn't cross and hit the pasture up there, but the wind is perfect. We're good. But I'll monitor this road. Ben's gonna grab this fire and head and take off that way. And that's all road and farm ground. This is easy. It's an easy one.
One more week in April, time has finally come. Warming air is changing, winds begin to run. Thunderheads are building, the sky is turning black. Heaven swells with anger, lightning starts to crack.